and then when you don't need to, scale in, and if you built it right, you build it in a way that you don't cut off your users when they're trying to get there. All right? Building to minimum, scaling to peak is definitely a shift in what our IT infrastructure folks are used to. So let's speak briefly about what you need to be asking, or what I recommend you talk to your cloud provider about, or ask your own engineering team. You know, how are you going to build in at high availability? What features exist right now? How much do they cost? You know, I've mentioned the certifications and compliance. You know, what compliance measures have they met? The security of the the physical access controls, logical. You know, can they see your data? Could they see your data? Could someone else see the data? Yeah, we could if we accessed your key, but we don't. No. If that's the case, then I would suggest that from an organization perspective, you execute your own encryption solution and use one of the key management solutions that allows your on-premises key management or multi-premises key management, so that obviously if your local premises has a problem, you can still get in. IPv6 support, something that many people don't think about but should. In general, they do support it, but you'll want to double check. Talked about the cost management tools, what's available, because early on you're not going to necessarily have a good understanding of what you need and how much it's going to cost. The portability, I've spoken to that. The licensing, what applications partners do they have, and what licensing models do they recognize? A BYO, no, you can't bring your own license. You have to pay for one by the SIP. All sorts. How does the cost of the instance change if you bring your own license? All those sorts of things. All right, so in summary, one, thanks for enduring me. The final thoughts is this is really all about people. We tend to get wrapped around the technology and the infrastructure, but it is really about how